When temperatures soar and air conditioning is a vital necessity, energy costs skyrocket and high demand places excessive loads on utility providers. Geothermal cooling delivers a sensible alternative to traditional air conditioning systems for indoor comfort and protection at a fraction of the cost. More unpredictable, frequent, and extreme weather events give home and business owners abundant reason to explore the availability, cost, and environmental impact of their increasing air conditioning needs. Geothermal systems deliver clean, efficient, low-maintenance cooling and heating while providing critical humidity control and hot water. Installing a geothermal system adds tremendous value and many significant benefits, including high efficiency, an extended lifespan, quiet operation with no outdoor equipment, reduced electricity use, natural cooling and heating, a positive environmental impact, and little required maintenance. Studies conducted by the EPA found that geothermal heat pumps help reduce energy consumption and harmful emissions produced by traditional HVAC systems by up to 40% compared to air source heat pumps and by over 70% compared to traditional electric resistance heating with standard air conditioning systems. The heating and cooling experts at Harvey Hoddle have the experience and technical know-how to help you save money, reduce energy costs, and limit the destructive environmental effects of traditional air conditioning and heating methods. Contact us today to explore the significant advantages of a geothermal system for your home or business.